Hey friends, who's hungry? Why not try this tasty recipe for hearty chicken jambalaya? Heat 1/4 cup of cooking oil in a large stock pot over medium heat. Add 1 pound of chicken thighs and 1 pound of andouille or smoked sausage. Cook for about 10 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Remove the chicken and the sausage from the pot and set aside, but reserve any remaining grease in the pot. Add 1 cup of diced onion, 1 cup of diced celery, and 1 cup of diced green bell pepper. Saute the vegetables for 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender. Then add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and cook for another 30 seconds. Return the chicken and the sausage to the pot and add 2 14.5 ounce cans of diced tomatoes, 2 cups of long grain white rice, 3 cups of chicken broth, 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. Bring the broth to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until the rice is tender. Remove the pot from the heat and fluff the rice before serving. Allow the jambalaya to sit for 10 minutes, then season with salt and pepper.